Guys, is it warm today?
Yeah.
Yeah, here comes the bus. It's like 70 degrees this morning, but the sand gnats are awful. I've been bit like 100 times already. I hate this place. I need to get out of here. I like your dancing. So there's a tornado warning.
Yeah, and I saw lightning.
Sadie saw lightning. Trying to get home before it hits us, so that's the update. You see it? Alright, Ben said the tornado is cleared in their area. Hopefully it's cleared here. Also, it looks like the wind is still going though. But we made it home, we're safe, and we're ready to go to bed, huh? You guys good to go to bed?
Scared.
You're scared? Why?
We have glass in our window.
Yeah, but we could hide in the bathroom if we have to.
How will we sleep?
Well, I will watch the news, and if a warning comes up, then I'll tell you, and I'll hurry and wake you up. Okay? You okay? Mm-hmm. Your room is safer than my room. Alright, let's get in the bathroom. Missy!
Come on!
Missy, get in here.
Missy, Missy.
Good girl.
No, come.
Okay.
We're all good again. Mom, you say I'm
We gotta hide from that storm. It's
Mom,
bad.
we can read our books in here.
Yeah.
Guyton in 30 to 35 minutes, doing some quick math, that would probably be around 7:30 this evening. They can put down a tornado for a few minutes, then the tornado lifts, which was the case in Fort Stewart just about an hour to an hour and a half ago.
Pooh said it's going to be lonely here without you, Al. You guys reading? Can you read to Kinley?
I was just counting how many witches.
Kinley, are you covering up too? You're so funny.